Okay, I am Dr. Babu, Professor and Head of the Department of Biomedical Engineering, Sri Sanmuga College of Engineering and Technology, Sangagiri, Salem district. So, in this video, I am going to explain about the need of the heart-lung machine. Heart-lung machine we have seen in the hospitals. So, we have to discuss about what is heart-lung machine. Before that, we have to know about the what is the need of heart-lung machine, who are all the patients need heart-lung machine. Okay, in this diagram, what is it? What is heart-lung machine? So, an heart-lung machine is a medical equipment that provides cardiopulmonary bypass. Cardiopulmonary bypass, that is heart-lung bypass, cardiopulmonary bypass, that is temporary mechanical circulatory support to the stationary heart and lungs. So sometimes we need surgery in the heart itself. In that cases, the circulation should not be stopped because the circulation itself, it is giving nutrition to the cells, oxygen and carbon dioxide is to be eliminated. So these are some important function. So during the surgery in the heart, the circulation should not be stopped. That's why temporarily we have to add some mechanical circulatory support to the stationary heart and lungs. So that is why it is called mechanical heart and mechanical lungs, or we can say artificial heart or artificial lungs. So both are combined, the processes both are combined for circulation and oxygen supply. So that's why it is called heart-lung machine. Heart and lungs are made functionless temporarily, okay, in order to perform surgery. If any surgery needed in the heart, in that case, heart and lungs are made functionless. So temporarily up to do the surgery, okay, heart and lungs should be bypassed. The function of the heart and lungs should be bypassed to the artificial heart and artificial lung. So that's why we need the heart-lung machine. So what are the cases? If we have any valve repair, for example, we are having 4 valves, out of that mitral valve is more pressure acting on the mitral valve. So there is a possibility of getting repair on the mitral valve. Then aneurysm, any weakness of the blood vessel in the heart. So this aneurysm, in that cases we have to go for the surgery. And the septal defect. Septum is a valve that separates the left chambers and the right chambers. We are having the atria septal and the ventricle septal. If we are having any septal defects, that time also we need the surgery. So these are some reasons we need surgery in the heart. During the surgery in the heart, we have to maintain the normal circulation and the normal oxygen supply. So that's why heart-lung machines are needed. Okay, May 6, 1953, Dr. Gibbon used this heart-lung machine to successfully repair an atrial septal defect in an 18-year-old girl. So 1953, Dr. Gibbon first used the heart-lung machine. It's a very old heart-lung machine, marking the first successful clinical use of the heart-lung machine. This is the first successful clinical use of the heart-lung machine in 1953 by Dr. Gibbon. He has made an surgery for the septal defect. So this is the diagram of the olden days heart-lung machine, which was used by the Dr. Gibbon. Okay, this is the heart-lung machine. Once upon a time, the olden version of the heart-lung machine. Nowadays we are using the model very advanced outline machine that we can see in this diagram. So this is advanced present day machine which is used for the outline machine. Okay, next we can go for the principle and necessity, that is what is the need, principle of the outline machine and what is the need or necessity of the outline machine. Okay, art is stopped. Sometimes art is stopped. If the art is stopped, what happens? Blood diverted through tubes and is pumped to maintain the flow. So art is stopped means during the surgery the heart function is to be stopped and we are taking the blood or we are diverting the blood to the extracorporeal circuit. A circuit or a circuit which is used to take the normal blood supply to the human being to the outside of the human being is called extracorporeal circuit. So that is blood diverted through tubes and is pumped to maintain the normal flow into the body. So that is the second function. Next, the temperature regulation of the blood and the gaseous exchange is done. Okay, while we are taking the extracorporeal circuit, the temperature will be changes. So we have to maintain the body temperature. Okay, there will be a temperature regulation of the blood and gaseous exchange is done. There will be a gas exchange system is done. That is the artificial respiratory system. Carbon dioxide will be removed from the blood and the oxygen will be supplied to the blood. So there is a gaseous exchange is available in the machine, and also the temperature regulation also available in the machine. After that, the blood circulates systematically bypassing the heart and lungs. So after that, the blood is infused into the body. So this is called systemic circulation. Blood circulates systematically bypassing the heart and the lungs. So by bypassing the natural heart and lungs, the circulation will not be stopped. The systemic circulation will be continued because of the bypassing. So this is the principle which is used in the heart-lung machine. Okay, next slide. Okay, coronary artery bypass. What is the need? Already I explained about what is the need of the heart-lung machine. One example is there is a circulation. There are three types of circulation. One is coronary circulation. Next one is systemic circulation. The third one is pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation is from the ventricle, right ventricle, the blood goes to the lung and exchange of gases takes place in the lung. After that, it is returned to the heart through the left atria. This is the pulmonary circulation. And systemic circulation is while the ventricle is pumping, the blood goes to the aorta. From the aorta, it goes to the entire body. That is called systemic circulation. One more circulation is called specialized circulation. It is called coronary circulation. Coronary circulation is blood is directly coming from the aorta to supply the blood and oxygen to the heart muscle. So that's why it is very important. Heart muscle should get oxygen, nutrition for the normal well-being of the heart muscle. So this is the coronary circulation. So this is the from the aorta, this blood vessel, it supplies the blood to the heart muscle. So in cases there is a blockage in the blood vessel in the coronary supply. Okay, in this coronary artery, because of some pathology, there is a blockage found in the coronary supply. So that blood will not be supplied to the heart muscle and oxygen will not be supplied to the heart muscle. So heart muscle cell will die because of the non-supply of the blood to the heart muscle. So that to avoid the blockage, Okay, we have to go for the bypass from the aorta. This is the bypass. From the aorta, a blood vessel is connected to the, so by avoiding the blockage, a blood vessel is taken from the directly from the aorta, and after the coronary blockage it is connected. So this is called bypass. It is the main pass. Main pass is blockage and we are making artificially, is called the bypass. So this is called coronary artery bypass surgery. In that coronary artery bypass surgery, we have to do the bypass surgery in the heart, so that in the cases we need the heart triangle. So in this video we have seen the what is heart triangle, what is the need of the heart triangle. After that we can go detail about the how the heart triangle is functioning, what are the parts of the heart triangle. Okay, thank you.